New opportunities arrive in everybody's lives like a flash in a pan. A few of us embrace it, and some let it go. Where do you see yourself in this situation? If you want to start a business of small size, disposable tableware manufacturing units can be considered as a profitable business idea. Before going forward, I would recommend you go through the basic steps of starting a business. This video will give you a clear understanding of starting disposable tableware business. Disposable tableware comprises of disposable or single-use products usually provided in fast food restaurants, catering services, airlines, takeaway restaurants for consuming different types of food items in more classy way. Increasing consumption of food items outside of home, particularly at food service outlets and institutional food service outlets, have been fueling the demand for reliable disposable cutlery solutions. Thanks to higher degree of awareness, the consumers are largely shifting towards wooden and bioplastic cutlery products, as they offer more sustainable solutions in terms of finished products. Besides this, innovative materials used in the next generation disposable cutlery such as plant starch, bamboo, and sugarcane are now increasing consumer confidence on these products. With the increase in hygiene standards as a new social trend, the global disposable tableware consumption is expected to gain a new height in next few years. Niche selection and define your target market. Following your budget, availability of raw material, and proper market research, you may choose the products available to manufacture. Decide whether you will be specifically dealing with plastics disposal materials or will also manufacture products like paper disposable cups, forks, etc. Few of the product choices are palm leaf plates and glasses, thermocol disposal products, plastic disposals products, paper disposals. Decide whether you want to restrict your business bonds till the wholesale market or do want to expand further with the help of B2B process. Before settling down to any specific niche, study the market correctly and understand your competition. Select a targeted consumer base. Make sure to avail your business for the manufacture of products that are in high demand. Feasibility analysis. Before starting a business, a feasibility study will enable you estimate the financial, human and technological resources that will be needed to ensure the successful launching of the business. It helps to reveal the number and level of skilled or unskilled workers to be employed and their salary scale. Feasibility study will help you to determine the amount of capital required to start the business. It will also help you in establishing the budget plan, working capital and cash flow projections of the business. A feasibility analysis is a necessary aspect that should always be conducted where you are going to do something brief with a respected amount of capital. Setting up a manufacturing unit requires a decent amount of capital, time, raw material, resources and manpower. It would be better for you to conduct such feasibility tests that will give you a comprehensive report. I will create a separate video on this topic that will give you more clarity on why feasibility study is important before starting a new business. Types of equipment needed. To establish and run a profitable unit of disposable cutlery manufacturing unit, you need to get a proper set of machinery. The machines are readily available in the market. All you need to do is to find out the best suppliers to deal with. These days fully automatic machines are also available in the market. There are types of equipment available in the market like disposable paper plates manufacturing machine, Eureka paper plates making machines, thermocol plates making machine, thermoforming machines, thermocol glass manufacturing machine, and pulp molding machines. According to your niche, get the right set of machines for your business. Licenses and registration. Get your business registered with the tax identification number and GST. Permission from the Electricity and the Water Supply Board. Insurance papers for your workers if any damage happens to them during working hours. For example, in India, you need to get provisional small-scale industry registration to run a manufacturing unit of disposal products. Incorporation registration is required in America. Similarly, get the proper set of licenses according to your country and state laws. License acquired from the local governing bodies for the safety and health management system in factory premises is also mandatory. Location identification. Location is one of the most important aspects of any business. Power and water supply, good road connections are just a few factors to consider when choosing your business location. Before finalizing any location, make sure to draw the factory layout plan, as you are going to set up a factory, not a retail store. It's always good if you choose to set up your factory on the outskirts of the city or in some particular industrial zone, where the land of prices would be not that high like the other commercial areas. Make sure not to be very far from the supplier's area and also to be within reach of your consumer base. This will minimize the logistics costs. Also, make sure to own a quality infrastructure in terms of power supply and connectivity. For setting up disposable tableware and cutlery manufacturing unit, you need to get a covered area of approximately 250 square meters with uninterrupted electricity and water supply. Marketing and promotion. The most critical and final step to establish a business is how you market it. You can set up personal meetings with the wholesalers, vendors, and event management companies. SMS advertisement process from the client database of potential customers. Google advertisement would be a great idea as well to ensure the higher reachability of the audience. Sell your products on websites like Amazon, Flipkart, IndiaMart, etc. Budget and business funding. To set up disposal plates and glass manufacturing business, an average initial investment required would be 15 lakh rupees. The primary capital requirements to run this business are: automatic disposal glass or plates making machine would require 6 to 7 lakhs rupees each. Location is assumed on rent. This will cost around 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month depending upon the space required. License and paperwork may require 50,000 rupees. Rent of vehicle for transportation require around 10,000 rupees per month. Electricity and water supply cost around 50,000 rupees. Labor and wages cost 1 lakh rupees. It might vary according to the number of persons you hired. You can easily get funding under the small business loan schemes. For instance, in India, you can get a loan of up to 15 lakh rupees under the Mudra loan scheme of the Indian government, where several banks and financial setups across the country are up to lend you the money without any collateral. Similarly, search around for the loan scheme in accordance with your country and state ordinance. That's all from my side today. If you learned something valuable, please make sure to hit the like button, and for more investment and industry details please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.